All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today we're going to be putting on what I can't believe is kind of a controversial screen protector. So normally I don't read reviews on screen protectors, but I got this one in from Rinky to review and put on my S24 Ultra. And I started looking at the reviews online. And I was like, wow, everyone's saying that the instructions are not clear. And I'm just thinking maybe these are just regular folks out there who do not apply screen protectors regularly, so maybe I have an advantage. But I'm gonna do this real time for you. Here it is, the Privacy Dual Easy screen protector for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, again, it's strange that people are saying that the instructions are bad. And I know you're gonna tell me, well, Jay, you used to doing it. Okay, I'm gonna say, okay. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put this on real time for you. I'm gonna lay out everything. So here is the contents of the box. All right. It's the contents of the box. Get your microfiber, you got your boom, you got your boom, boom, boom. And then let's take a look at the box. So it says first, you pretty much have to, first, you want to remove any screen protectors that you might already have on your device. Take those off. I do have a glass on here. I'm going to take it off. And then I'll put this on. So you want to pretty much take this part and put it in the bottom. And then once you put this on, you lock this on top of it. Now, I know because I've done a lot of the screen protectors. The next step is to peel off this portion right here. Because that is the bottom side of it. So you see 4 here. 4 is going to be last. So you can see here, this is 1. It's kind of labeled. Let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 1 is this portion here. And I knew that without even looking at it. I mean, I do have somewhat of an advantage because I've put a lot of these on. But then after you take that off, you make sure you line it up. And you go half and half. And I think this is probably just going to be a person who doesn't regularly do, these are probably just regular consumers doing this. So I'm going to go ahead and power off the device. And I'm also going to remove this brand new tempered glass I just put on here. I got love for you, Rinky, so I trust your product. It's going to be great. So I do have one on here. See, look, I actually have one on there, as you can see. So we'll put that aside. And now we're going to follow the basic instructions, which is cleaning. So I really wish Rinky would give a dust removal tool, but I have my own. So I'm going to use one of my own dust removal stickers to get it off. Let me see if I can find one of mine. Hold on, let me pause real quick and get that. All right, so I got my dust removal tool, and I'm gonna clean the screen first. And dust removal tool, meaning it's just a sticker, basically. If you don't have any dust removal stickers or whatever, all you have to do is get some clear tape, put it in a little loop, and then you'll be able to clean your screen for any dust that you think might be there. That's all you gotta do. So we have to put, I'm gonna clean that off. I have to put this in here. Oh, my bad. Like that. And then we'll put the screen protector on top. And a lot of people have been saying, don't you lose the anti-glare thing that, you know, that the Samsung talked about. I'm like, yeah, that's cool and everything, but I'd rather have a nice protected screen. I know this is Gorilla Glass or whatever, but these screens definitely shatter. So I'm just kind of giving it a really good cleaning right here. Now, this is what you would do if you didn't have any kind of dust sticker. But again, you can use a clear piece of tape if you wanted to. And that's what I do sometimes. I use just a regular clear piece of tape, and I just stick it on there before I put the screen protector or whatever I'm on. So shout out to Rinky for giving us these great products right here, man. And they did provide this for me, but I did look at the reviews and I was like, wow, people are upset about this. So the first thing I'm going to do is take off one. which is this one. All right. So right now you can clearly see that there's two pieces. You see that? Yeah. So we're going to put this down on here. But first, I'm going to actually get the dust game on. Give it another. And if you don't know, this right here will pick up dust as well too. But me, I'm just being really cautious. And I know this is a privacy glass, but still, I'm being super cautious. Now, after I get that clean, I'm gonna go ahead and put that down in there like that. And then I'm gonna lock it in place. Just like that. Now, there were some people saying that their screen protectors was misaligned and things like that. I don't see how that's possible, but anything is possible. It is possible. So next is part 2. So 2 is this portion right here. So look, 2, you take that off and then you drop it down. So let me see if I can get 2 off. 2, where you at? Oh, I see what they're saying. Oh, I see what they're saying. I see what they're saying. Even I was getting ready to make that boo-boo. So this is what you do for 2. 2 is this one. And I can understand why some people feel like they messed up their screen protector. So look, yeah, because I almost made that blunder. 2 is I see what they're saying. They didn't pay attention to the actual labels. Instead of following, they followed this box, and they pretty much pulled off the screen protector part. Oh, I see what they're saying, Rinky. So real talk, honest review here. I see where people are getting a little upset, Rinky. But unfortunately for them, they should have called your man Jay to help them with this, because I definitely didn't want to make a blunder like that. So after you get that off, 2 is the actual separation for the screen protector. Now my screen protector is going to be flawless on here. Watch it, man. But I understand why some people would be a little perturbed about that. But the last one is 4. Boom. And then what we're left with is a perfectly installed screen protector. Man, but I do get it. I understand those people that are saying the instructions are bad or whatever. I almost made that blunder, so I get it. But on the box, if I could give Rinky some honest feedback, it is a little confusing. But oh, do I like this. It's a little confusing. People are taking the thing apart before they're getting it on there. And again, I told you I was going to be able to put mine on properly because I know exactly the steps. But I almost slipped like, yo, but that is what it is. So now there were also some people saying that it was misaligned if you follow their steps. And I can see how it's a little bit that way, but let's power it up and let's see what it's talking about. It looks like it's a little bit shifted to the left. Because when I run my finger right there, yeah, it is. It's just a hair shifted on the top, just a little bit. It's such a slight shift, but it is a shift. And I can understand a person paying, $14 for this, and then it's a little shifted. So it's on though. Look at that. Ooh. Now I can put in my password. And you guys can see what it is, or you can't see what it is. I don't know. But check that out. That is a privacy glass, folks. And that is the controversial screen protector installed by your man, Jay. I can see, again, not taking any side here, like trying to defend Rinky or whatever, or defend the consumers. I'm just telling you, Rinky, I can understand why the consumers are a little upset. And there's a 2-pack online. Looks like I think it comes in a 2-pack, but this is a beautiful setup here for the black version, because it's got the black side, the titanium black. Get this privacy protector, man. You'll love it. It's got a cutout on the top for your camera, and that's it, man. you're going to be completely private at this point, because I'm giving you the angles, and I can see just a hair where it's like a little shift to the left side on this side along this edge right here. And you saw me put it on, like you saw me line it up with their tool or whatever, and it's a little bit shifted on there. You can even look at the camera module, just a hair, and you can kind of see that it's a little shift. I mean, it's so small, it's crazy. But I understand if a consumer is spending $14 plus tax, it could hurt a little bit. And Rinky might be sending out replacements to this. I don't know, but I can tell you that is how you do the installation, and easy install, man. I mean, the instructions are clear, but not clear. Well, all that said, though, as you can see, the screen protector is working great. You want to go into screen or display. I already have it turned on. You want to make sure you turn on touch sensitivity increased for screen protectors. You want to make sure this is checked right here. And then you'll have one of the best displays in the game, protected with privacy. That's it. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.